Hey guys, it's Rob Mitchell here, San Antonio's Cash Car King. Now the reason I'm called San Antonio's Cash Car King is not so much that I sell the most cars, but I sell the best quality used cars. And you and I both know buying a used car can be risky. So here at True Value Auto Group, we aim to take that risk out of the equation. We don't want people buying lemons. We don't want people buying clunkers, but we see it happens all too often. That's why I have structured my business to make sure that you can buy a safe, reliable vehicle. I do business a little differently than most of these guys that sell cash cars because I care. All right? I know that seems funny. I know it seems kind of cliche, but I really do care. You know, everything that I have in my life is a blessing, right? So what I aim to do is pay it forward by treating people good, by making sure people get quality used cars and helping as much as I can. So when you come here to do business with us, you do a little bit more than just get a car. You don't just get the vehicle, you will also get some help and some service whenever you need it. If the car breaks down 2 months from now, you call me on the phone, you say, hey Rob, I'm having some trouble. First thing Rob is gonna tell you, bring that car by. If you can't bring it by, I'll have my tow guy come and pick it up. We'll bring it back here. We'll figure out what's going on. Then we'll figure out a way to get that thing fixed. That's what you get with True Value. You're not gonna get that too many other places here in San Antonio. Most of these guys are gonna sell you a car as is, and that's gonna be the end of the story. You pull off the lot, it breaks down, it's over, okay? We don't do that here at True Value. If you buy a car from us, you're a client for life. So we're gonna help you out as much as possible with that vehicle. You're also gonna get a lot of information. We're not gonna just put you in a car and not tell you about it. We're gonna try to teach you about that car, what you need to know about that car to help you feel comfortable moving forward with that vehicle. You get a lot of benefits from doing business with us. We have great relationships with part manufacturers. We have great mechanics on staff here. Because like I said, True Value, we don't just sell cars, we also service them as well. So just think about that. When you guys getting ready to go out here for tax season and make a car purchase, remember that with True Value, you get a little bit more than just a car. You'll also have a place to come and get some help with that car down the line if you need it. And I just want to end my message and letting you guys know this. I hope all of you guys are successful buying a car this season. Even if you don't buy from me, I hope you get a great car that runs well. But if you choose to do business with me, it's going to be the best decision you ever made because I'm going to take care of you because I want your business for life. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. Peace.